Hello guys, in today's video I'll be showing you how you can access the digit circles in Deriv, alright? Yeah, so I've been receiving messages from some individuals, mostly beginners, that when they open Deriv they cannot be able to see the digit circles and they don't know what to do. So this is what you do, okay? At the top right of your screen you will see somewhere labeled accumulators, okay? Please ensure you click on that, alright? Once you click on it, come and select these three trade types, one of them, okay? You can either select matches and differs, even, odd, or over under. Okay, so it depends what you're trading. So currently matches and differs, even, odd, and over under are the only ones that will allow you to see the digit circles. Example, if I come and select over under like that, you will see that the digit circles will appear on my screen. Okay, yeah, so that is basically how to activate or see the digit circles in Deriv. All right, I hope I've helped someone out because I've seen it has been troubling some individuals. Yeah, but that is basically how you activate the digit circles in Deriv. Again, you can only access the digit circles either using a laptop or a tablet, or basically a screen with a big basically a device with a big screen. Okay, as you know, Deriv did an update about 1 to 2 years ago whereby they removed the digit circles on mobile phones. So if you're using a mobile phone, you cannot be able to see a digit circle. Okay, so for you to be able to access these digit circles, considering you only have a phone, you can use a variety of websites available. You can use a website called dbtraders.com. I'll be linking them, okay, basically to allow you to see the digit circles. But remember, only do your trades on the official deriv.com platform, okay? But that is basically how you activate the digit circles in Deriv. For any questions about this, please let me know down in the comment section and I'll be able to answer to every one of you, okay? Otherwise, thank you very much for watching. Keep on trading, keep on pushing, and let us meet in the next one. Cheers.